Guys, let's do a quick review on the Maui Moisture Hair Care. This is the vanilla bean smooth and repair hair butter for frizzy, unruly hair. So it's supposed to defreeze, mend, and restore your hair. It is a 12-ounce container. And let me start by telling you guys that it smells amazing. People that I know that use Maui can tell I'm using Maui. It is a lot of product, especially if you have curly hair. I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and it still has plenty there. The smell is incredible. The vanilla bean makes your hair smell amazing for days. And my favorite thing about this product is that it has no silicones, no parabens, no gluten, and no SLS. Okay, it's vegan, it has pure aloe and pure coconut water. All you gotta do is use it on your hair. Usually I do it when it's wet, okay? And you just slather it on there, and you can leave it from a deep treatment in the shower, and you just leave it in there for 5 minutes as the instructions say, from roots to ends, and that's it. You wash it off, and now you have great smelling hair, and you're taking care of your hair by smoothing and repairing it. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend for all types of hair, but for frizzy and unruly hair, it works that much better.